Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how you can change replace screen for Lenovo x220 laptop. So let's get started. First you need to take the battery off. So to take the battery off, there's a clip here. You just pull it and the battery should come off. There you go. Now we're going to open it up, and then you can see two plastic rubber covering the screws, so we need to take them off. You can use a flathead screwdriver, very thin, or you can use one of them plastics to remove the cover. So I'm going to use the flathead screwdriver. It's just a thin plastic cover. You see, I've removed them both. Now use a small screwdriver, Phillips, or unscrew it. Once you remove both screws, we're going to take this plastic cover. So if you just pull that, use this plastic and make sure it doesn't scratch your screen. The cover should come off easily. There you go. Now we're going to remove some screws from here. So one here, one here. These are for the hinge. So them 4, and there should be some at the top. So we're going to find out in a minute. So we'll remove them 4 screws. Just them 4 screws that was holding onto it. Now we'll take the connection off. The tape, you need to take it off, and the connection will come off. There you go. You just need to find the right part number to order a new screen if you are replacing it. So same way, when you buy a new screen, just put the connection in and then just place the screen and screw them. And the plastic bezel, if you just clip onto it, you will stick to the laptop. I hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.